In this video, I'm going to show you how to order your PayPal debit card in just a few minutes. The PayPal debit card lets you spend your PayPal balance in stores, online, and even withdraw cash at supported ATMs. First, open the PayPal app and tap on Finances at the bottom of the screen. From there, you will see the option to get a PayPal debit card. Tap on it. You will now see an overview of the PayPal debit card, including features like cashback on eligible purchases, ATM access, and direct access to your PayPal balance. Tap on the button labeled Get a PayPal debit card to start the application process. Next, verify your personal information and make sure your name, address, and contact details are correct. If something needs to be updated, make the necessary changes before continuing. After that, PayPal may ask you to confirm your identity by entering the last 4 digits of your social security number or other requested information. Once completed, tap Continue. That's it. PayPal will review your application and send you a confirmation email. If approved, your PayPal debit card will be mailed to the address linked to your PayPal account within several business days. And if you're interested in learning more about smart money management and long-term financial planning, check out the free guide from Augusta Precious Metals linked in the description.